The backbone of the world isn't built in boardrooms. It's built out here, in the dust, the crawl spaces, the baking attics, where real work gets done. You wire the lights, fix the leaks, and keep the temperature just right, so the world can live, work, and dream. You juggle jobs, brave the elements, manage disconnected systems and outdated tech, chase parts and paperwork, and fight through broken communication between the field and office, all while customers expect faster service, instant updates, and flawless results. When storms hit, when systems fail, when the world stops, you're the first ones out there. And for everything you give, you deserve to get more back. That's why Simpro is building a smarter way forward, an AI-first operating platform, purpose-built for the way you work. To tighten your operations, to capture every billable dollar, to turn hard work into more money in your pocket. You are the builders, the fixers, the keepers of comfort and safety. You deserve technology that works as hard as you do and profits that match the value of your work. We're here for you, the unsung heroes of modern society. Let's make sure you have the best technology, the recognition you deserve, the respect you've earned, and the reward you've worked for. We're here to honor your work, to stand beside you, and to move forward together. Simpro, built for the way you work.